Welcome to Money with Mark Albert. Today I want to give a thank you, and I also want to explain why I'm wearing this shirt and how I got it, but also make a prediction for the 2019-2020 Toronto Raptors basketball season. So early prediction, but I'm going to make it here and now. Before I do that, I want to say my good friend Brian got me this shirt shortly after the Raptors won the championship this year. It was a real excited. I was so excited to get it, and the big story is when he went to the sports store to buy it, that Danny Green was actually in the sports store, and it was just fantastic, an electric environment there. And then this shirt was bought while Danny Green was actually in the store, and I'm proud to wear it. But the reason I'm on this today is to thank a very special group of people for attending a financial workshop we had yesterday on Saturday in Mississauga. Thank you for Brian and Sarah for hosting. It was a wonderful experience. I had a great time. And since 2014, I've been doing financial workshops, and this is the first one that has actually been in someone's home. And so we're in someone's home, and we had family, friends there. It was a wonderful time. Everyone got a free copy of my book. Everyone got we had a draw. Everyone got a prize. And we had pizza and wings after, and guess what? We learned a lot of financial things. So we had a lot of good discussion around some financial strategy around building a net worth. Now my prediction for the 2019-2020 Toronto Raptors season, the NBA season, is that the Toronto Raptors are going to win at least 50 games. They're going to be a contender. They're going to make the playoffs. They may make a few trades at the trade deadline, and my prediction is they're going to win the East and be in the finals. And depending on some of the trades that they may or may not do, they may win in the finals. But my prediction is they're going to make it in the finals, and they're going to win the East and have at least 50 wins for the season. Listen, really appreciate the group of people I was with yesterday at the financial workshop, and I trust it was a valuable use of your time. Have yourself a great day, and look forward to talking to you soon. Bye now.